The world is changed. I feel it in the water. I feel it in the earth. I smell it in the air. Much that once was is lost, for none now live who remember it. It began with the forging of the great balls. 3 were given to the elves, immortal, wisest and fairest of all beings. 7 to the dwarf lords, great miners and craftsmen of the mountain halls. And 9 balls gifted to the race of men who above all else desire power. For within these balls bound the strength and will to govern each race. But they were all of them deceived, for another nut made. In the land of Mordor, in the fires of Mount Doom, the Dark Lord Sauron forged in secret a master nut to control all others. And into this nut he poured his cruelty, his malice, and his will to dominate all life. One nut to rule them all.